now what we're going to do is create some action points around that protected time. And we're going to use them around your core intentions, your personal life, relationships and work. So what I want you to do is actually to fill the boxes and put in where you want to use that protected time. It could be half an hour with your phone switched off. It could be not being distracted in the morning by emails. But make sure that you've got some points in there where you're going to protect the time to actually focus on these areas of your life. So now we're going to look at, and you can see it there in the boxes, your distractions. So have a think about your 3 biggest distractions. What are they? What are they distracting you from? And what should you be doing in that time? And then put into place the boundaries that need to be there to stop you getting distracted. And again, this is where you need to tell other people where the boundaries now are, and you need to identify them for yourself. So put down your 3 biggest distractions and the action that you are required to make to reduce those distractions.